Welcome to Lesson 9. In the previous lessons, we learned addition and subtraction using the 5 complement and introduced the formulas you can apply when needed. Today, we will learn addition using the 10 complement for carrying over to the next digit. Mastering addition and subtraction using the 10 complement is very important in Abacus learning. We'll introduce the new pairs that make 10 together. Don't worry. We'll also provide the new formulas you'll need for addition and explain them step by step. Grab your abacus and get ready. Let's get started. What is the 10 complement? There are 5 pairs that make 10 together: 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. Here is the formula table for addition using the 10 complement. It may seem like a lot, but if you remember the pairs that make 10 together, you'll be able to use them more quickly. Let's try solving one problem together. Let's use the abacus to add 9 plus 2 together. First, we add 9 in the ones place column. When we try to add 2 in the same column, we find there are no lower beads left and the upper bead 5 is not available either. So, we need to carry over to the next digit, making it 10. Now, referring to the formula table to solve this, since we want to add 2, we look up the add 2 formula. According to the formula, to add 2, we subtract 8 and then add 10. Let's apply this formula. We subtract 8. And then add 10, which takes us to the tens digit. Counting the beads attached to the bar. It's 11. Therefore, 9 plus 2 equals 11. This is how we use the 10 complement formula for addition. Let's try adding 4 plus 7 together. First, place 4 in the ones place column. When we try to add 7 in the same column, we realize there aren't enough beads in the ones column to add 7. So, we need to carry over to the next digit, making it 10. Next, we refer to the formula table. To add 7, we use the add 7 formula. According to the formula, to add 7, we subtract 3 and then add 10. Let's apply this formula. We subtract 3 and then add 10, which takes us to the tens digit. Counting the beads, we find there are 11. Therefore, 4 plus 7 equals 11. Now, let's try addition with multi-digit numbers. Let's add 99 plus 11 on the abacus. Start with the larger digit. First, add 90. Then, add 9. Then, we add 11. Begin with the larger place value, which is 10. We need to add 1 lower bead in the tens column. However, there are no beads available in the tens column. According to the formula, to add 1, we subtract 9 and add 10. Therefore, we subtract 9 beads in the tens column. Then add 10, carrying over to the next digit. Next, we want to add 1 in the ones place column. But, there are no beads available in the ones place column either. So we use the same formula as we did for the tens column. To add 1, subtract 9, then add 10. Count the number of beads attached to the bar. It's 110. Therefore, 99 plus 11 is equal to 110. Did you understand how we solve the addition using the 10 complement formula? Please print out the formula sheet and keep it nearby while working on problems until you feel comfortable without looking at it. It might be tricky at first, but with plenty of practice, you'll get the hang of it. Please try the practice problems available in both printable and video formats. Remember, regular practice will improve your abacus skills more quickly and effectively. See you in the practice video. Bye.